Running bigger tires on your Ram 2500? Or just dealing with faded, cracked stock fenders? Fender flares protect your paint from rocks and debris, keep you legal with wider tires, and give your truck a meaner, more aggressive stance. Today, we are covering every generation from early 2000s to current. All links are in the video description. Let's get into it. Starting the list at number 7. Here's the Tyger Auto for the 2003 to 2009 models. Available in smooth factory or pocket rivet style. Paintable UV-resistant fine textured finish. 5.5-inch front and 4.5-inch rear flare height. 2.5 inches of tire coverage all around. No drilling required, hardware and instructions included, about 2 hours to install. Mud flaps need to come off first, and the Hemi badge may need relocating. Backed by Tyger's limited lifetime warranty. Solid early generation option. Pushing forward to number 6. Meet the YHTAUTO fender flares for the 2010 to 2018 generation. Offered in 3 distinct styles: factory textured matte style, riveted textured, and riveted shiny style. So you can match either a clean OEM look or a more aggressive stance. Classical OE design, contoured to match the factory body lines exactly. Fits right in and looks like it belongs there. Lightweight polypropylene construction that handles UV exposure without chalking and holds up long term. Hardware and installation manual included. Professional install recommended if you are new to this kind of job. A clean, understated choice for owners who want protection without changing the truck's character. Does not fit dually or chassis cab models. Sliding alongside it at number 5, check out the Tyger Auto Pocket Style for the 2010 to 2018 Ram 2500. Where the previous option goes subtle, this one goes bold. Rugged UV-resistant, rough-textured black finish with recessed marine-grade stainless steel rivets for serious visual presence. 4 3/4-inch flare height. 2.6 inches of front tire coverage. No drilling, all hardware included, about 2 hours to install. The decorative rivets are for looks only, not structural. Backed by Tyger's limited lifetime warranty. Tough look, proven durability. Jumping to the current generation at number 4, here's the Rough Country for the 2019 to 2026 models. Tri-blend ABS construction, impact resistant, UV resistant, and rust proof. Simulated bolt-on rivet look in flat black. 2 inches of tire coverage, 5 1/4-inch flare height. No drilling, factory mounting points, paint-ready surface for a custom color match, or choose the paint-to-code option straight out of the box. Badge relocation may be needed. 3-year limited warranty. Does not fit dually models. Right above it at number 3, we've got the Bushwacker for the 2019 to 2026 generation. Bushwacker invented the fender flare category and offers 2 distinct styles here. The refined OE low-profile look, or the iconic pocket style with recessed stainless steel bolts for maximum off-road presence. Both are built from Bushwacker's exclusive Duraflex 2000 material that absorbs impact and resists warping, with built-in UV protection to stop chalking. Made in the USA, hardware included, fits models without OEM flares only. Excludes dually. Just behind the leader at number 2, here's the YHTAUTO Pocket Style for the 2019 to 2026 models. Rugged pocket bolt riveted look that turns heads without the bolts actually drilling into the body. All visual, no structural modification. Lightweight polypropylene, UV resistant, chalking resistant, and contoured to match the factory body lines. Hardware and instructions included. Professional install recommended. A great choice if you want the aggressive pocket style aesthetic at a more accessible price point than premium brands. Does not fit dually models. And taking the top spot, the Tyger Auto for the 2019 to 2026 models, earning that number 1 position. Paintable, smooth, textured, UV-resistant finish, 6.42-inch front, and 5.95-inch rear flare height. The tallest flare coverage on this list. 2 inches of front and 2.6 inches of rear tire coverage. Heavy-duty injection molding fights off cracking, warping, and chalking. No drilling, all hardware and instructions included. About 2 hours to install. Mud flaps off first. Hemi badge may need relocating. Backed by Tyger's limited lifetime warranty. Best overall package for the current generation. And that is your top 7 fender flares for the Dodge Ram 2500 across all generations. Every link is right there in the video description, sorted by year. Go find the one that fits your truck. If this video helped, hit that subscribe button and stay with the crew. More Ram content is on the way. Catch you in the next one.